Hello friends, welcome to my channel Creative Krisha. So as you know, Diwali is coming, so happy Diwali in advance. So today I'm going to make easy flower rangoli. Rangoli, we made this diva, rose petals, then artificial flowers. I have two colors in this, I have orange and yellow. So let's start. First I will take this yellow color flower and make a small circle. Like this. Now I will take this orange color and make one more outside. Like this. Now I will take again this yellow color and make one more. Like this. Now I will put some rose petals inside this. And leave some space for the diva. Now our very special thing, diva will put it here. Please try this rangoli at your home. If you like it, then please subscribe, like it, share with your friends and family. And don't forget to comment below because your comment gives me motivations. Happy Diwali and thanks for watching. Bye bye.